is this from the left? Get it? Yeah. Awesome. Hey, look! A chair fly over there! A chair flies right there. But that one stopped. Come on. Hey, I thought you still Hey, look! Another chair. Whoa, I have to make this happen. Yep. Biggest one yet.
Look at this. I think you can see from where you are. Looks like there's a fire.
Where?
I see a hole in the roof.
Oh, yeah. It's burned. Look at all those rescue things. Look at all those what things?
Fire
Rescue.
trucks and police cars and ambulances and hook and ladders. Here comes the train again. And another one comes from the other side. Hang on. Move over. No. Hang on. One at a time. Okay, one at a time. Come on, Case. You get up. Now, Rosemary, you get up.
Another fire truck is coming by.
Okay.
On that train?
too. They used a pair of the new outside frame Class 8 and drag car Class 8.
You know, if you put the prime mover between the trucks and then have that swivel.
They also did these excellent looking rail cars, like narrow gauge streamliner rail cars. The center bogie is a Kato Shorty chassis with scratch built coach bodies and a car motorboat body. So you got a short wheelbase motor unit in the center. Not a bogie, a unit.
Is that humanly possible to recognize this gap?
Ty masz takiego samego telefonu jak mój tata i taki sam prawie case. Why are you always so
A little bit late to sign up. We haven't started training Brian. If we go visit Allison and Eric, which is always
Everyone knows that you have.
So once I built the plane, then he wanted to play with it. So he said, can you build the plane? I play with the plane.
Here comes another train.
Yeah, nobody rides trains anymore.
And not in Z.
It makes no sense. I'm sorry. This is called T gauge.
It's what?
Tear up your age. This is called T.
T gauge?
Yeah.
Is it bigger than TT? Or is TT
No relationship. TT is much larger. That's between N gauge and HO. This is about a little less than half the size of C gauge. T gauge
What's
being
smaller than this?
there's nothing commercially made right now that's smaller.
I like my size too.